We are making Dove jalapeno poppers from our dove hunting. So here's our little doves. And Shelby can tell you what she mixed together to put in the poppers. Say hello, Shelbykins.
Hello. How are we doing?
Do it anyways.
So it's cream cheese with spicy breakfast sausage. I don't like it.
Y'all are gonna make me pee my pants. Just pretend like he's not there. Like we're just having.
And this is for 4 people.
No, 5 if you count the little guy. So, anyways, if you couldn't hear her because she's laughing her ass off, it's spicy breakfast sausage mixed with jalapeno, or mixed with cream cheese, and she let it sit overnight. I don't know if that matters. Does it matter? We were just prepping.
Yeah.
This one needs like 2 little dove breasts because it's like ginormous. I don't think we have enough. So we only have 30 little pieces. How many jalapenos do we have?
Well, on this end of the camera, it looks fantastic.
What is talking? So then just push pause and then we can come back and show them when they're all... There's more, so we...
Alright folks, we'll be back here in a minute.
Don't
go
stop,
anywhere.
Push pause.
Okay, so Francis messed up a little bit. You have to get one edge of the bacon, like stabbed into the, what's it called? Toothpick? Both ends stabbed through the toothpick. You know what I mean? So it holds.
I only did one. The one that was not
So I
being
tried
pulled
to-
by the others.
Yeah, that way the bacon doesn't come loose. And you definitely want it to go all the way through.
Oh.
It's kind of messy.
Perfect.
Well, I did not go all the
Okay,
way
you want to do
through.
this real quick?
Yeah.
I can get
Yeah.
started on this. Okay, so we've got heavy cream and a couple of eggs, and then like a spicy Cajun fish fry is what I used. Okay. Let's see how this goes.
And tell them about your oil.
The oil, just regular oil, should be set on like 3 to 350. Okay. I don't know how hot the oil is. So let's
You want the little test piece?
Here's a little test piece of bacon.
I'm gonna go with it. There it goes. Not bad.
I'm going to re-wrap all
You can
these.
turn it up, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Good to go.
Okay, so Andrew is making these beautiful poppers. And I finally got the rest done properly according to Shelbykins. And then we have some without the jalapeno for trout, and I ran out of bacon. So, and it's going to be delicious. So, it's the end of our video. I'll end it with this little handsome. Say something nice. No. Say much love and light. I love you all.